Well, it may seem like lately we've been telling you about a lot of arrests for a crime called child grooming. What is it? Well, it's a relatively new law in the state of Texas, and it's designed to protect children from being molested. Sydney Jolivet went to find out more about it. And Sydney, it seems like law enforcement is charging a lot more people with it.
That's exactly right, Crystal. Just last week, this Midland Christian school official was arrested on a child grooming charge. Tonight, Rory Wade is still locked up in jail and has been placed on administrative leave by the school. The idea behind this new law is to prevent adults from building a relationship and trust with children so they can sexually abuse them.
It's every parent's worst nightmare, someone taking advantage of their child. A new child grooming law hopes to stop the crime before it ever starts.
The law is different from previous laws that were passed because it actually criminalizes someone's intent to commit another crime.
Before 2023, no law specifically targeted child grooming, but even this one comes with its own set of challenges.
You're not prosecuting someone solely based off of their actions. You're prosecuting them based off of their intent. So you have to show what they did and what their intention was or what their mental state was leading to the crime that they were actually going to commit. And it's hard to get into someone's brain.
Criminal defense attorney LaTawn White knows she's in for an uphill battle when she takes on these cases. She says prosecutors need specific information about the suspect's activities, especially their communication.
You're going to look at what their relationship was with the child, what the intention behind that communication was, the tone of the communication.
That's where parents step in, creating open dialogue with their children, even from a young age.
They need to be aware of who their child is talking to, where gifts are coming from, what relationships their child is building with other adults in their life.
White says knowledge is power, and knowing how to use the child grooming law correctly could save a life.
I think it gives another quiver in a prosecutor's toolbox to look at crimes differently. Because if you're looking at someone who may be engaged in activities that could lead to another criminal act, but you don't necessarily know what that other criminal act is, this law allows those people to be prosecuted.
Experts say awareness is key, not just for law enforcement, but for parents, teachers, and the entire community. Because when it comes to protecting children, prevention is the most powerful tool.